In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of the community section on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is well known as a helpful tool for tracking cryptocurrency prices, but its community section offers a wealth of knowledge and interaction that you may not be fully utilizing yet. So let's dive in and make sure you're getting the most out of it. First things first, let's open up CoinMarketCap. You can do this by simply typing CoinMarketCap into your search engine and clicking on the link, or directly entering the web address into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll notice a wide range of features available, but today our focus is on the Community tab. Go ahead and click on it. Upon entering the Community area, you'll find it beautifully organized into four main parts. You have feeds, topics, lives, and articles, each offering something unique. Feeds provide a dynamic stream of posts and discussions from users around the world. This is where you'll find quick updates and opinions on what's happening in the cryptocurrency space at any given moment. If you're after real-time sentiment, feeds should be your first stop. Moving on to topics, this section allows for more targeted discussions. Here, conversations are centered around trending categories and specific coins, making it a great place if you're looking to engage deeply in a particular area of interest. Lives is where the action unfolds live. You can join ongoing discussions and get live updates as they're happening. It's perfect for those who want to stay in the loop with the most current events and perhaps contribute to the conversation in real time. Lastly, we have articles. This is the spot for longer reads, guides, and more in-depth insights shared by members of the community. If you're looking to expand your knowledge or dive into detailed analysis, you'll definitely find this section valuable. Now, choose a section that aligns with your interest. Whether it's feeds for real-time sentiments, topics for in-depth discussions, lives for interactive sessions, or articles for detailed content, each has its unique strengths. If you're logged in, which I highly recommend for a more interactive experience, you have the opportunity to engage by posting, commenting, voting, or sharing content. For instance, in feeds, there's a text box that prompts you with, "What's happening?" You can use this to share your thoughts, such as saying, "I think Ethereum will pump before the merge update." It's a great platform to express your insights with the community. Don't forget to add hashtags like #Ethereum, or selecting an available topic can give your post extra visibility. Once you're happy with your message, just click Post, and there you go. You're now a contributing member of the CoinMarketCap community, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively navigate and engage with the CoinMarketCap community, further enhancing your cryptocurrency experience. Whether you're here to learn or share, this platform is a fantastic resource. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.